Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make egg butter masala. The gravy will taste like butter chicken gravy. Some people like to fry the eggs in butter and add cashew nuts to make a creamy gravy. My recipe makes the gravy creamy without adding cashew nuts, and the eggs do not have to be fried. This is a simple but delicious and easier version of egg butter masala. We'll need eggs, of course, and butter, chopped red onion, chopped ginger, sliced garlic, chopped green chilies, tomato puree, or you can use fresh tomato cut up, cumin seeds and fennel seeds, ground turmeric, red chili powder, fenugreek powder, and ground coriander. I like to get the whole seeds and grind them in a little spice grinder. It tastes fresh and is much better than the pre-ground stuff. Cilantro is optional. First, hard boil the eggs. You can add eggs and water to a pot, cover and bring to a full boil, turn off the heat and leave for 10 minutes. Then put it in cold water and peel. I find it's easier to peel eggs when using a pressure cooker. I'm using my Instant Pot to cook the eggs. Put the rack in, 1 cup water, and set the eggs on the rack. Pressure cook for 5 minutes. Then leave it alone for 5 minutes. Release the pressure. Put the eggs in cold water for 5 minutes. Then I'll peel them. Crack the eggs all over. The shell comes off easily. Set the eggs aside and we'll make the gravy. I chop up all the ingredients while the eggs are cooking to save time. Heat up a pot and add vegetable oil. When the oil's hot, add cumin seeds and fennel seeds. They'll sizzle and turn color in a few seconds. Add the onion, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. A little salt. Saute until golden brown. Add the coriander, turmeric, chili powder, and fenugreek powder, tomato puree, stir and cover. Cook about 5 minutes until the oil separates and the raw taste of the tomato goes away. Set this aside to cool a little bit. Then put it into a blender, add a little water, and blend until smooth. Pour it back into the same pot. Add some water to the blender and get all of it out. A little salt and more water. Bring that up to a boil. Taste and add more salt if you need to. Also, a little bit of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Slice the eggs in half. When the gravy's ready, add the eggs. They should be covered by the gravy. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the butter. Stir it in gently. Chopped cilantro if you have it. Serve this creamy curry with Indian bread or over rice. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. To get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Also, turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.